Hello, in this module, we'll be discussing about the structure of the project management body of knowledge. The body of knowledge is the project management body of knowledge, also known as PMBOK. Uh, the current version is the fourth edition, and the PMI comes out with a new version once in 4 years. Uh, so the fourth edition comprises of 42 processes organized into 9 knowledge areas and 5 process groups. And the 9 knowledge areas are: we have the integration management, scope management, time management, cost management, quality management, communications management, risk management, human resource management, and procurement management. So these are the 9 knowledge areas which work in tandem to make the project successful. And there are 5 process groups like the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. So a project's when we start a project, okay, it gets kick-started officially by the sponsor, and a project charter is prepared, and stakeholder registry is done, and stakeholder management strategy is also developed. So that is part of initiation. And as part of initiation, a project manager is also identified, and then he does the planning of the project and then executes the project as per the plan and monitors the progress once in a while to see whether everything is going as per the plan, and if there is a variance, he takes action. And every phase of a project gets closed officially. There will be a formal handover takeover procedure at the end of every phase, which is applicable at the end of the project also. At the end of the project gets transferred to the customer or to the operations. And the heart of the project management body of knowledge comprises of 42 processes, and every process has a series of inputs, tools and techniques and outputs. And every process is linked to one of the knowledge areas, and every process is linked to one of the process groups. So if you take a process called develop project charter, that is part of project integration management knowledge area, and that is part of project initiation, the initiation process group. So every process is linked to one knowledge area and one process group, and every process has a set of inputs, tools and techniques and outputs, and there are 42 processes. See, it is humanly impossible to mug up or by heart all these processes and their linkages. So my suggestion would be understand the subject, and then you will get a handle on the logical flow of a project. Like, first you initiate a project, and within initiation we develop a project charter and we identify the stakeholders. Then we get into planning. In planning, the first process is develop project management plan. You have to create a project management plan. Then we get into detailed collection of requirements. Then we define the scope. Then you decompose the scope into work breakdown structure. Then the work packages are decomposed further into activities. Then the activities cost is estimated. Activities are sequenced based on their dependencies, arriving at the AOA or AON diagrams. So if you see, there is a logical flow which can be reproduced, or which can be remembered uh, by applying common sense. So don't put in too much effort to by heart the logical flow of a project. So it is a good investment if you can spend some time in really understanding the subject first, then the logical flow will come to you automatically. Thank you.